about balance of trade. Okay, what is balance of trade? Okay, balance of trade refers to the difference between monetary value of a country's import and export. Okay, so dah nama pun balance kan. So BOT ni adalah hasil tolak nilai ekspor dan import sesebuah negara. Okay, next, balance of trade also record the volume of goods and services imported and exported by a country to other country. Okay. So, kenapa kita kena kira balance of trade ni? Sebabnya, okay, the function is to measure strength of a country's economy. Okay, next. Calculation of balance of trade. Cara nak kira dia, kita kena tolak value of export from the value of import. So, kalau kita tolak, lepas tu dapat jawapan positif, kita namakan dia sebagai trade surplus, di mana sesebuah negara tu ekspor dia lebih banyak daripada import. Kalau negatif pula, dia menunjukkan kurangnya ekspor daripada import. Okay. Okay, next, Kasih.
Okay, kat sini ada contoh. Untuk example 1, in March 2018, the United States export 6782.2 million of goods and services to the United Kingdom. In that same period, the US import 5183.8 million of different goods and services. If you subtract the exports from the imports, you will see that the US had a trade surplus over the UK of 1598.4 million in that month. Okay, next. Okay, so ni calculation dia. Tadi formula dia untuk cari balance of trade, value of export kena tolak dengan value of import. So untuk example ni, value of export dia 6782.2 million yang tolak dengan value of import dia 5183.8. So bila tolak dapat positif and jumlah dia 1598.4. So kalau jawapan dia positif and negara itu adalah trade of surplus. Okay, example seterusnya. If the United States import 950 billion in goods and services last year but only export 750 billion in goods and services to other countries, what would the trade deficit or surplus be? Next. Okay, so the calculation dia, kita dapat export dia 750 billion and import dia 950 billion. So bila kita tolak, kita dapat ada tertinggal negatif dekat jawapan tu. So jawapan dia negatif 200 billion. Sebab kita tengok situ export dia pun dah kurang and import dia lagi banyak daripada export. So jadi trade of deficit. Okay, itu saja. Okay, so ni ada apa madam?
Okay, teruskan. Ni kan dia punya apa ni contoh video kan? Okay.
Now let's try to understand what is balance of trade. Now this topic is very important from examination point of view, and this is also one of the topic of economics. So let's learn this in a better sense. Balance of trade records the volume of goods and services imported as well as exported by a country to other countries. So it is basically a record which keeps a track of trade between two countries. And by trade, we mean both export and import of goods and services. Now there are negative and positive aspects of balance of trade, meaning it can go in both positive as well as negative value. Let's understand negative first. Suppose if you're importing, that is bringing in a lot of goods and services from some other country, then you'll have to pay a lot of money for that because you're in the receiving end. Now if you're producing things in your place and selling it to other countries in fulfilling their needs, then you're exporting. Here you will receive a lot of money in return because now you are the provider. Previously you were the receiver. So far so good, and now understand this. If you're receiving more than providing, which is importing more than exporting, then your cost is going to be more than revenue, meaning you'll have to pay more in importing than earning through exporting. In this scenario, your balance of trade is negative, or we call it as unfavorable balance of trade. Now the same value becomes positive when opposite happens, wherein your export is more than import. Let's quickly summarize this. A negative balance means a country is importing, that is, spends more on buying goods than exporting, which is selling its own goods. Now, if the value of balance of trade is a negative, that will lead to exhaustion of a country's financial reserve. If you want to see more of such educational content, make sure you subscribe.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.
Syakira, terima kasih.
Okay, sama-sama.
Okay, so untuk apa ni, untuk yang ni, dia sama juga macam apa ni, macam sebelum-sebelum ni, awak hanya perlu cerita apa konsep balance of trade yang berkait rapat dengan balance of payment. So kalau ekspor lebih daripada import, dia adalah surplus. Kalau import lebih besar daripada ekspor, itu adalah defisit. So ini adalah yang basic yang kita pernah sentuh dan kita pernah belajar masa diploma macroeconomics. Okay, so tak ada apa-apa yang ni saya nak highlight di situ. Kita tunggu Kak Zaifah dengan Ababa.